Hey everyone, welcome back to Mimi Market Now. I'm Liam, bringing you the latest updates from the wild world of crypto. And if you're here, you know we've got XRP news on tap. Today's story is nothing short of game-changing. In September 2025, XRP finally got the sparkle of regulatory clarity that investors have been waiting for. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission officially dropped its years-long case against Ripple in August, confirming that retail sales of XRP are not considered securities. That decisive move let the first U.S. XRP ETF hit the market this September, and since then, the floodgates for institutional adoption have started to open. So what's that done to XRP's price? After the settlement, XRP soared past $3.30, and analysts said we could see targets between $6 and $7 if key resistance levels break. Institutional interest is ramping up now that the regulatory fog has finally cleared. Plus, XRP is getting deeper into DeFi, making its fundamentals even more attractive for the big players. But don't think it's all smooth sailing. There's still debate over the classification of XRP sold to institutions, and some ETF decisions are pushed back until November. Volatility remains, with prices bouncing between $3.01 and $3.64 this quarter, so keep your game faces on. Bottom line, XRP is at the center of a regulatory shift that could redefine its role in global finance, and November's upcoming decisions might be crucial for its next chapter. Before you go, hit that like button if you want more updates, subscribe to Mimi Market Now, share this video with your fellow crypto fans, and turn on notifications so you never miss another hot story. Catch you in the next one.